how to follow people on Roblox. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Roblox app right here. And then let's say, for example, that we want to follow a game developer. And let's say, for example, that we want to follow the developer of this game right here. So once you are now here, just scroll down and then click this developer right here. So just click that. And then once you click that, you will be redirected right here in this part. And then just scroll down and then click the members right here and then click the developer. And then once you see the developer right here, just search and then click, of course, the profile. And then once you are now here, what we want to do next is to click this three dots on this part. And then you should now be able to see the follow. So once you click follow right here, you will now be able to follow people on Roblox. So that also works if you want to add or if you want to follow your friend right here. So all you have to do is to just go here and let's say, for example, that we want to follow this person right here. So go here and then click this three dots and then you should be able to see a follow button right here, but I don't see anything because he is already my friend. So that's basically it. That is how to follow people on Roblox.